In this location we are going to be trucking along at Mount Tangi Dangi. And I will see you in another one of my videos. Take care everyone.